Precast Panel Detailing Services. Introduction. Silicon EC specializes in CAD-based precast panel detailing. We deliver precise designs that save time and reduce costs. Our expertise supports projects worldwide with quality and accuracy. Services overview. We detail all precast elements like slabs, walls, beams, and columns. Our services include tilt-up panels, wall panels, stairs, and double T's. Each panel is designed for easy fabrication and fast on-site assembly. We use advanced software like Tekla and Revit for detailed drawings. Our shop drawings ensure smooth manufacturing and installation processes. Why choose US? Partnering with Silicon EC means expert design and quick delivery. We help you avoid building an in-house team while ensuring quality. Our detailed plans improve communication and reduce waste on site. Choose us for cost-effective, reliable precast panel detailing solutions. Contact our specialists today to enhance your precast